case you don't know how to swim, you feel uncomfortable, we're gonna be putting this behind the boat. Remember that on the reef, everybody should wear one, and it's not something that if you don't like I said, if you are a professional swimmer, it doesn't matter. You need to wear one on the reef. Remember that anything can happen. You can be a Navy SEAL, a professional swimmer. It does not matter. Please wear one for your safety. Remember that the places that we visit, it can be from 15 feet all the way to 45 feet of water. Like I said, if that makes you comfortable, you're gonna have the floating belts for you guys on the middle. Also, you're welcome to sit over here on these great benches. On the white benches, you can sit on this side, you can sit on that side. Inside the gray benches and upstairs, we can allow 9 passengers. And remember that going to the island, which is to the east of Culebra, we're going to be facing all the elements, which is going to be the wind, the current, the waves. So going up to the island, it will be a little bit choppy. You can get wet either on this side or on this side, on the top, or even on the front of the boat. You might get a little bit of water. It is very important that please save your stuff under the benches. That way you don't get your items wet. And water, cup in the water looks like a jellyfish. Jellyfish is the main food of a sea turtle. That means that the water in the cup is a dead turtle. So please save your cup at all times. You can put them inside your pants, in your bag, anywhere. But please save that part. You're gonna make us happy. You're gonna make this world more happy. All right, guys. It's gonna take us 1 hour to get to Culebra Island. Remember that we're gonna be doing 2 stops. First stop will be snorkeling. Second stop will be the beach. I'm not gonna say where we're gonna be going. Normally we visit a lot of places in the beach. It can be Flamenco Beach. It can be Luis Peña, Culebrita. Many places that we visit. It all depends on weather. If they let us go in the day or not. Just to let you know, guys. Like I said, on the reef we have many places to visit on the reef, from shallow waters to deep water. We do have a bathroom on board. The bathroom is going to be located inside the great the hatch. Everybody can see the doors open in the front of the boat.
Vámonos. Fuimos para Culebra. Otra travesía más. Ah, viste. Seguimos gozando. Que estamos viendo ahí al fondo es Palomino.
Vamos arriba. Dale. I still remember long ago when I saw you so cold. I gave my jacket blue and gold. Then you said, I'm not who you're looking for, but you might find me beneath these clothes. Some nights I stay up alone, a shot of whiskey by the phone. Dial number, let it go. I still remember that night, yeah. Summer skies for us alone, only lights to guide us home. Wonder if you are still alone. To be young, what a feeling. Feel like not that long ago. Wonder where you have flown. Can't stop thinking about it, no. Don't know why I feel this way. still remember long ago when I saw you so cold. I gave my jacket blue and gold. Then you said, I'm not who you're looking for, but you might find me beneath these clothes. Some nights I stay up alone, a shot of whiskey by the phone. Dial number, let it go. I still remember that night, yeah. Summer skies for us alone, only lights to guide us home. Wonder if you are still alone, to be young, what a feeling.
La Fefismax. Ahí. Ahora mismo donde estamos. Pero para adelante. Encima, vamos arriba, zumba. Está bueno.
Flown, can't stop thinking about it, no. Don't know why I feel this way, but I can't stop thinking that you got away. Some nights I stay up alone.
Esto que está aquí, completo, es Carlos Rosario. Y detrás de los barcos que están allá atrás, los catamarán, el pedazo que está allá atrás grande, ese es el Cayo Luis Peña.
Mira ese pez, se pasó por mi cuello. Míralos ahí, es bien grande, es amarillo.
Sí, míralos ahí.
Ya, son muy grandes. You can still jump in, Birdie. Birdie, go! Yeah, that's like me help. Say hey, I hear like that. There he is. I fucking bring. I go that way.
When I saw you so cold, I gave my jacket blue and gold. Then you said, I'm not who you look